All right, so we have here that it tells us what the definition of a period is, right? So it's the distance required for the function to complete one full cycle. So basically, if I had something that looks like this, right, and this is what like a sine, cosine, cosecant, or secant graph is going to look like, this is the period. This is period 1, right? It's when it repeats itself, right? That's all the definition means. And we have, what is the period of the function? F of t is 3 times cosine of 6 of t. So what you need to know for these, if you see these, they're really simple as long as you can remember this. This 3 is the amplitude, right? Which is how high it goes, amplitude, right? So if there's nothing in front of here, it just says f of t is cosine of 6t, the amplitude's 1. This is a 3, so the amplitude in this instance would be 3. Not asking about that, but just so you know, right? And then this right here, whatever's in front of this variable right here, this number is related to the period. So what I do for this is, and I would put this in your calculator, whatever you need to do to make sure you remember this, is that so this number here is called the b, right? That's just the variable they use. And we do 2 pi over whatever this number is, and that is the period of whatever this trig function is. So I do, and this is 2 pi, so it's going to be 2 pi over 6, right? Which is going to simplify 2 pi over 3. So it would be answer choice C, right? You could also actually put this in your graphing function and like see, like trace it and see, you know, from 0 to like when it's going to repeat itself, and you'll get a number here, and you should be able to see, you know, which answer choice it is. But I would definitely know 2 pi over b, right? This being 6, right? A lot of people confuse this by b over 2 pi, but it's 2 pi over b, so pi over 3.